Thrive Themes installation. In this video, we're going to cover installing Thrive Themes. There's a couple assumptions I'm making, namely you've got WordPress installed and you've actually purchased Thrive Themes. So let's dive right in. So first thing is inside your WordPress account, we just want to make sure it's ready to go. Really, there isn't anything that you need to do. This is a default setup. I have no real plugins installed except for the default. And now what I want to do is I want to go into Thrive Themes and download the product I purchased. So if you go here, click on Thrive Product Manager plugin, that will download a zip file. Now in just a second, I'm going to upload that to my WordPress site. So it looks like it's downloaded. Back into WordPress. Here I want to click on Add New. And I'm not going to search, I'm going to click on the Upload plugin. So I can simply drag this zip file up to here, release it, click on Install Now, and then I want to activate the plugin. So there it is right there. If I go to Product Manager, now I need to connect to Thrive Themes. They need to check the licensing. Since I'm already logged in, this should get me to exactly to the right place. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Log into my account. And you can install everything here right off the bat that you own. And I think I've got the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to just go ahead and do Select All. Also, not a bad idea to pick a theme that you might want to use. But you know what? Just for fun, let's do them all and see what happens. So there's 20 products that need to be installed. Themes and plugins. So then click on Install Selected Products. And this might take just a minute. Okay, next step is you want to activate products. So click on Activate Products, and then we can go back to the dashboard, and I'm actually going to go to Thrive Dashboard now. And notice I've got a number of different options here. So the first one is going to be Thrive Dashboard. And this will show everything that you have installed. And in this case, because I've activated them, there's nothing that needs to be activated. And at this point, you're probably going to want to start to do all the connections here, the general settings, and analytics and scripts. So that's how you install Thrive Themes on your WordPress site.